Welcome, monitored citizens, to the Majority Report, where breaking news is broken and truth lies between the headlines. Astrologers, economists, prophets, pundits, and that one guy on a podcast who called it 3 years ago told us that 2025 would be a significant turning point in human history. Astrologers said the stars were aligned. World leaders and technocrats warned of a great reset. Spiritual leaders promised a great awakening. Tech prophets said AI would change everything. Instead, 2025 delivered revelation the way institutions do best, using buzzwords. Tonight we recap 2025, the year awareness went mainstream and the noticers claimed what they've known all along. Astronomers confirmed that interstellar objects entered our solar system more often than expected. Not just Oumuamua, not just Borisov, enough that NASA quietly updated its models. Scientists insist this is normal, followed immediately by, please stop asking follow-up questions. NASA says that 3I Atlas is probably natural. Natural in the sense that it accelerates, decelerates, and changes brightness for no clear reason. It's classified as a comet because it has a tail, even though it behaves like it has a propulsion system. So it's a comet because science doesn't yet have a category for whatever this is doing. The Pentagon acknowledged metallic, spherical UAPs observed worldwide. Officials emphasized the objects are not assessed as a threat, which means we don't know what they are, but we're very confident you shouldn't think about it. The James Webb Telescope detected atmospheric chemistry scientists called unexpected, meaning molecules that shouldn't coexist unless something keeps rebuilding them faster than physics can break them down, which leaves exotic photochemistry or active geology. Best to pick the explanation that doesn't panic anyone. Right. Rocks it is then. 2025 brought record solar flares and geomagnetic storms. Power grids experienced what engineers call abnormal current behavior. Satellites, pipelines, undersea cables, transmission lines, so the expensive parts. Scientists say the sun behaved exactly as predicted during solar maximum, which is reassuring because the concern isn't the sun. It's how fragile civilization is when the sun is doing what it is supposed to. Experts say preparations are in place. Prepared meaning hoping the next storm doesn't target a transformer from 1978. Earth's magnetic North Pole continued drifting in 2025. Experts say this is a normal geomagnetic process and not worth panicking about unless you enjoy navigation or biology. Scientists note pole drift has happened before, usually over thousands of years, not timelines that require software updates. Harvard researchers revisited theories of mirror life, biology built from reversed molecular structures, enantiomers, same molecules, mirrored orientation, biologically incompatible by design. Same atoms, same bonds, just arranged in a way that says the other one feels wrong. Experts say there's no evidence mirror life exists and remains theoretical. Just equations, experiments, and the quiet truth that reality could have gone left and chose right. The Space Force expanded its budget and mission scope, citing space domain awareness. And definitely not like someone realized the sky needs military supervision. Studies confirmed human perception and decision-making can be altered without awareness. Great news for advertisers, terrible news for free will, and not a surprise to the few paying attention to reality. By the end of 2025, most people agreed that aliens likely exist. And governments wouldn't tell us if they knew about it. Probably the healthiest relationship humans have ever had with authority. So let's recap. Things enter the solar system, things hover in the airspace. The sun stress tests infrastructure, North forgets where it lives, telescopes find exotic chemistry. Governments update sky policy, and scientists admit perception is negotiable. And institutions insist these are unrelated. which they might be. But if they were, this is exactly what it would look like. So as we enter 2026, remember, if it were nothing, definitions wouldn't keep changing. If it were harmless, policy wouldn't follow. And if it were fake, they wouldn't be spending real money on it. So here's the truth. Things feel weird, not because reality changes, but because we have better tools to see it. We measure more, we watch closer, we notice patterns we used to miss. And yes, perception turns out to be negotiable, which should be no surprise. This is Sue, reporting from the lab, reminding you that the universe doesn't owe us a finale, just perspective. Happy New Year! Cheers to new beginnings and perspectives.